have 43144 running a service, the Torbay Express from Paignton to London Paddington. And 43144 was on the rear. 8 coach, class 43 high speed train. So this is 150131, working a First Great Western service from Paignton to Exmouth. So this is 150131. Departing on a First Great Western local service from Paignton to Exmouth via Exeter St David's. The service continuing on from here, we'll call that Dawlish Warren, Starcross, Exeter St Thomas, Exeter St David's Central, Exeter Central, St James's Park, Boswell Bridge, Digby, Houghton, Newport, Topsham, Exton, Lympston, Commando, Lympston Village and Exmouth. So this is a cross-country service. It's a class 220 Voyager going from Plymouth to Edinburgh. And that train is 220018. And that is currently going to be calling at Exeter St David's, Tiverton Park, Taunton, Bristol Temple Meads, Bristol Park, Cheltenham Spa, Birmingham New Street, Tamworth, Derby, Chesterfield, Sheffield, Wakefield, Westgate, Leeds, York, Darlington, Durham, Newcastle, and on to Edinburgh. So yeah. Right, so this service is running wrong line. Very oddly, actually. Because this one service to Paignton is running in on platform 2. Brilliant. And I'm not going to stop recording. Right, so I didn't get the number of the 143 on the front, but the rear 143, hold on, let me just have a look, is 143603, and that's running wrong line service to Paignton. And also here we have a service from, well, I'm not too sure where the service is from, but I know it's going to Plymouth, and that is an unidentified class 220 Voyager. Didn't get the number. So this is 143621. That's the front pacer, and that's running a service from Exmouth to Paignton, but oddly running wrong line. That service will call out Teignmouth, Newton Abbot, Torquay and Paignton. And the rear 143 is 143603. So this is a First Great Western service going from London Paddington to either Plymouth or Penzance. I don't have real-time trains at the moment, so I don't actually know. And that was 43016. And 43037. And obviously 8 Mark 3s on a Class 43 high-speed train service.
Yeah, no, just to say, we're just about to get on the train. It's just literally coming through the tunnel. So, yeah, Glenn's come back with us. They got to stop in Subway, so I expect to see you about between 4:15 to 4:30, alright? Alright then, see you shortly, bye!
Is that died?
No.
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 It's 150239. I'll repeat that, 150239. And 14362.